Hello LKG children, how are you all? Once again Swati Miss is here with Maths Oral. Yes, children, but before that we will sing one song. Yes, you want to sing? Are you ready children? Yes, okay, let's start. Butterfly, butterfly, come to me. I must go and praise the Lord. Shalala, 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 and praise the Lord. Okay, then bumblebees, bumblebees, come to me. I must go and praise the Lord. Shalala, 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 and praise the Lord. Golden fish, come to me. I must go and praise the Lord. Shalala, 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 and praise the Lord. Okay, all of you, did you enjoy this? Yes. Children, we have already completed the comparisons of big and small, long and short, thick and thin, more and less, and equal. Yes, you all must be revising at home. You all are good children. Yes, children. Okay. Now, today we are going to do with a new lesson. That is lesson number 6. First, next, and last. Okay. Which lesson we are going to do? First, next, and last. Now, first means what? When you run a race and you come first, that? No, it is a part. When the 3 parts are there, we say the first part, the next part, and the last part. Have you seen an egg? Yes, it is very small. Then, from the egg, small chick comes out. Have you seen small chick? Yes, that chick, yes, that part is called next. And after that chick, it becomes big, we call it a hen. What do we say? A hen. So that is the last part. Okay. Now, have you seen something more you want to see? Yes. What is this? It is a pot you must be having in your garden. Yes, children? Okay. Now, if I want to grow a plant, directly can I grow a plant? Yes. Can I grow a plant directly? No. Yes. For the first thing what we have to do is, yes, the first thing what we will do, we will put some seeds inside. Yes. You have to put some seeds. Yes. And then you have to pour water. So this part is called the first part. This part is called the first part. When you sow seeds and you put water in that. Yes. Then, after some days, what you will get? Yes. Can you see children? It is a small plant. What do you get after some days? When you pour water every day? Yes. You get a small plant. And this part is called the next. What is this part called? The next part. Okay. Again, after you do watering for more days, what do you get children? Yes. See here, beautiful color. Yes. Flower. What do you get? Flower. So many flowers are there. Can you see children? You like to see flowers? I also like to see. Okay. So, this is the last part. First, what did we did? We sowed the seed. Yes, we put the seeds in the pot. Then, small plant came. And the last part is, here you have a big plant with flowers. Yes, many flowers. Yes, can you see? Many flowers are there. Okay. So, children, on the board, can you see? Yes, very good. First, we have only the pot with seeds. Now, the second pot, what is it? A small plant. It is a small plant. And the third part, the last part, what is it? It is a flower. Yes, it is a plant with flower. Okay. Now, here we are going to do the activity. but we will say orally. Okay, children? Here it is written F for first, N for next, and L for last. Okay? Now, egg is there. So, what is it? First, next or last? Correct. It is first. So, we will write F over here. Then, it comes out from the egg and it is a small chick. So, this is the next part. So, we will write N. And it become a hen. What it becomes? It becomes a hen. From chick, it becomes a hen. So, it is called the last part. Okay. Now, again, flowers are given. 3 different pictures of flowers are there. Now, which is the first part? Yes, correct. This is the first part because flowers are not blooming. It's a small bud only. Yes. So, we will write here F. Then, small flower buds are there. They are blooming. So, this is called, yes, correct. It is next. And yes, you can see beautiful colors. Flowers are there, blooming. Yes, so these are called next. This part is called next. Okay. Now, children, you must be having sports day in your school. Yes. And in that, you have different races. Running race, hopping race, jumping race. Yes. So, in that also, first part what you do is, when you stand in the line and you take position, yes, see here. Yes, that is called the first part. Then, when you are running, that is called the next part. So, we call it next. And when you finish and reach the point, finish point, what do we say? We say that part, the last part. Okay. Yes, children. Now, can you see a girl over here? We have 3 different pictures of the girl. Now, first one, which will come? Correct. She is sleeping in the bed. So, that part is called the first part. Which part is that? The first part. Then, she wakes up in the morning. Yes. So, that part is called the next part. Which part is that called? The next part. And when she brushes her teeth, you also go in the bathroom and you brush your teeth, take bath. Yes. So, that is the last part. So, we call it last. What do we say? Last. First, next, last. Yes, children. So, I hope you have understood the concept of first, next and last. Okay, children. Stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.